Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Hostgator email. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Hostgator, you want to go ahead and choose a website which you're going to use with your email basically. So for example, for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose this one, go to settings. Now after that, you want to click on advanced and you want to scroll down until you see cPanel. So you're going to click Manage cPanel, and this will pop up. Now, once this will pop up, you will see some tools, and there's an email tool. So you're going to click on Email Accounts. Now you will see here an email account which was maybe already created, but to create one, you're just going to click this plus sign, create a new email account. After that, you're going to choose your domain. So for this, I'm just going to choose this one. Now you're going to enter your username. Now you're going to also set up a password for the specific email. And after that, you're going to click plus sign, create. And now your email was created. Now you can go ahead and manage it. Now, if you would click on not manage, but check mail, then the webmail will open up and you will need to log in. After that, you're going to click on round cube, open. And now we need to just check if all of this works. So you can go ahead and compose an email if you want to, and write down to some of your email, the subject, where to send it, and that it is working. So you can go ahead and send this email just like so, and check if that works. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.